Let's talk about Chrome. You use this to study and stuck with distraction. When your mom asks,
turn that off right now,
the answer almost always is
5 more minutes,
which is what every addict says. And here are 8 extensions I always find the best. 8. Reader mode. First up, do you ever find yourself getting overwhelmed by all the visual clutter on a web page? This will give a hint. It removes all the unnecessary elements from a web page, just leaving out only the essential parts that you need to read and focus on. It's great for reducing distractions while researching and studying. Next up, the QuillBot AI is a game changer. Not only this extension is great for checking grammar, the free version even better than Grammarly, but where it shines is generating text using ChatGPT AI to auto-complete sentences. For an example, you want to write an email to your teacher asking about some extended date for your assignment and you don't know where to start. Just type in and select generate paragraph. You get the session for everything. Oh, this looks so good. Number 6. Save to Google Drive. Okay, this one is really quick. It simply does what it tells. You can save a text, image, video directly to your Google Drive. This is especially handy for students to save and organize research materials. Now, if you struggle with staying focused, you may check the StayFocusd. This extension allows you to set a time limit on how long you can spend on certain websites. And when the StayFocusd ends, it's time to take a drink and actually it's right now. Now, if you're like me, you may feeling struggle when handling a lot of organization with your to-do list, but fear not, Todoist is here to help. This extension allows you to create a to-do list, set deadlines, and prioritize your tasks. It's a great tool for staying on top of your coursework and assignments. Okay, let's talk about YouTube Short. It can be fun, it can be entertainment, but while you're looking at it, it can be a massive distraction while you study. That's where disable YouTube Shorts come in. This extension blocks all the YouTube Shorts on the platform, keeping you focused on your work and study. Let's be real, unwanted ads and advertisements are really annoying popping up when you're scrolling down through websites. AdGuard would be the best out there, and its absolutely free version can install on every browser. You can do it on Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. Not only does it block the picky ads, it also blocks your device from malware and other unneeded content to improve the efficiencies of the CPU and your RAM. Okay, now for a little fun, Forest is a gamified productivity app. This encourages you to stay focused by allowing you to plant a visual tree that grows over time as you remain focused on your work. So this is a great way to stay motivated and productivity also on the entertainment.